In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook pages. I'm going to show you how to do this on your mobile, and I'm going to show you how to do this on your computer. First thing you want to do is open Facebook, and once you have Facebook opened, you want to tap on your profile menu at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile menu. You need to switch to the Facebook page you want to delete. Now, all you need to do is tap on the drop down arrow in this section, and here you're going to see all of the Facebook pages and profiles that you manage. Simply just tap on the one that you want to delete, and this will switch you to that Facebook page. Once you have successfully switched to that page, what you want to do is tap on the profile menu at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. On the settings and privacy, scroll down and find access and control under your information. Tap on this and you should see deactivation and deletion. Tap on this and you have the option to deactivate your page or delete your page. So if you wish to proceed with deleting your page, tap on delete page and then tap on continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to give the reason why you want to delete your page. So if there is no specific reason, you can simply just tap on continue. You can save post in your archive, download your information, transfer your information. These are all options you can utilize if you want to keep some information safe. But if you choose not to, simply just tap on continue and you need to enter your Facebook password. Enter your Facebook password and then tap on continue. When you delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the contents or information your page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all your messages will also be deleted as part of the deletion process. Tap on continue. To delete, all you need to do is tap on delete page and your Facebook page will be deleted. Now on the PC, you can tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, and here you want to make sure that you have switched to the page that you want to delete. Once here, you want to tap on settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down to where you can find access and control. Tap on access and control, and here you can follow through the same steps of deleting a Facebook page. So thank you for watching this video on how to delete Facebook pages, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have any question, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to know how to recover your deleted Facebook page, you can watch the next video at the end of this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.